Understanding the difference between projects, events, and media is going to be really crucial if you're going to get a great understanding and a lot of use out of iMovie. So once I've started things out in iMovie, I've got the option here to create a new project or open up a previous project I was working on. Think of a project as the highest level of hierarchy. A project is both the finished product that you're working on and all the sum of the parts working together. So a project can contain media that is specific to just that project, but it can also contain references and pointers to media that you might keep around for other purposes. So if you've got logos and introductions and things that you're going to use lots of videos, it might be smarter to store that stuff in an event that you can always pull from. You'll see what I mean when we open it up. So I'll go ahead and create a new project. When I do that, I've got the ability to make a movie or a trailer. A trailer and a movie are going to have the same type of editing concepts and interface. It's just that the trailer is going to be pre-populated with a lot of transitions and some sound effects and music and things like that. But we want to start from scratch. So I'm going to go ahead and create a movie. There we go. I've got my movie set up. It's called My Movie. Now, I don't have any media in this movie, but you'll see I've got this ability here on the left side to bring in media from my photos library or to look at media from all events that I've used with other movies. So if I go back out there, you'll see I have this hockey highlights movie that I was working on already. I'm not going to open that. I'm going to stick with My Movie. But if you look and see, I can access video clips that I was using from that hockey highlights movie, these January hockey clips. So the project I'm working on, My Movie, does not have those January hockey clips in it, but I can access it because I've imported stuff to events that I'm going to be working and making multiple projects based on that media. So the media can go into events, but the media that I use can also go directly into the associated project. So if I have video files that I know I'm just going to use for only this project, I can bring them in here as well. I can also point to media from my phone or my photos library if I'm using iCloud. So if I go to my photos, you'll see I've got choices of other things. So I've got some other hockey videos in here, right? I'll go ahead and drag these videos in. Bam. Now, if I go back up to project media for My Movie, look, it shows that I'm using those two movies. These are the two movies I just dropped in. If I wanted to use movies from other events, I could. If I had a little introduction that I filmed with my webcam, I could put that at the beginning. If I wanted to go to my January hockey clips, I could put those hockey clips in over here at the end. Now, if I go to My Movie, it's showing you, look at all the different things that I'm using. So the media can exist in multiple projects. You put media into these events if you're going to use them multiple times, because then you'll be able to pull and use them from the various events. If you want to get stuff off of your phone, you'll use the Photos setup. And if you want to import directly, you can be here in the My Movie and you can import directly into there by going to File and importing media. I'll show you a little bit about how to import from various devices next so we can start getting some media files in there for your first project.